Welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I will show you how you can register on your business account or account business manager for Facebook. Okay, so first of all, you will go to the Facebook business suite, this one, and inside this one, you need to first time log in inside your Meta business suite. You can press on this create a business portfolio for creating a new one. Okay, and after this pop-up window will be open, and inside this you need to first of all write the correct business portfolio name. Okay, so you can start from the digits and something like, for example, I am writing 901 and then the business name Nasir. So my experience is when you start from the digits and after that the business name, then it might approved. Okay, enter your contact info, so you need to add your contact info and the business email. Okay, so just like you can mention any email. For example, here I mentioned the create. Here you can see this. Now it shows me what do you want to add into this business portfolio. Okay, you can either add if you have any page. So right now I am not adding this page. Okay, so you can check this, or you can, so just now I am pressing on skip this step. Okay, and next add people to the business. So now I make it skip and click on the confirm. You can see this now on the is here, my business is created successfully. Okay, so now this is also showing here, and now this type of page is showing, and obviously now this type of portal is showing and we not yet added anything inside this one. Okay, so this is my business is Meta business account is created. So I hope you have understood. After that, obviously you can add the different things inside. Go to the settings, and inside the setting you can add the, inside this business info you can add the people, you can add the partners, you can add the different accounts. For example, the pages in which you want to you want to display it on your page. Okay, you can add the different assets, different ads account in which you want to play the ads. For example, you can add here the Shopify, the different accounts. Okay, and you can add the Instagram, you can add the WhatsApp number on which you want to also divert your audience to your WhatsApp number. Okay, for advertisement related things or propagation and campaigns related thing, you can add this. So this is all how you can basically add the basically how you can create the business manager for Facebook. So I hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question, you can ask your question in video comment section, or a question link is also mentioned. I will respond into you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.